Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. This is Help Tech and we are back with another how-to video. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the steps of downloading Direct Express card in your mobile phone and then opening an account in it. Direct Express card is a debit card that you can use to access your benefits and you don't need a bank account. With a Direct Express card, your money is automatically deposited to your card account each month on your payment date. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. First of all, tap on App Store if you are an iOS user or tap on Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then tap on the search icon that can be seen at the bottom right corner of your screen. Search for the app Direct Express. In order to download the app, tap on Get. Once downloaded, tap on Open. You will then be provided with three options. First is Sign In, second is Activate, and the third one is Sign Up. Tap on Sign Up in order to create a new account. To sign up, you will be asked for your card number. Enter your card number. Here I have been asked to select a doll and chicken to verify that I am a human. After doing so, tap on Next and then follow all the instructions that will be provided by the app to create a new account in Direct Express. So this is how you create a new account in Direct Express. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you found it to be beneficial, please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Help Tech. We will be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.